So I had to go ahead and finish doing all of my nails. Due to a space issue, it did not record me doing most of the work on my nails, but this is what I ended up doing. I did not end up using the stencils I was going to use, since the nail polish was super like clear, almost like a jelly. I had to do so many coats. If I would have put the nail vinyl on, I would have had to go over it so many times, and it just wouldn't have turned out right. So I ended up using these Kiss stickers, Kiss Jewel stickers, and I got a couple that are like ornaments. And this is the hollow top coat that I used, Starlight polish, and it's called Starlight. This one is called Tara Colecosmetics. I used Pro Bell top coat, used my Twixie, I used my Seche Vite for quick dry. No, I'm sorry, I actually ended up using this one because my Seche Vite is running low. And my Nicole OPI on the go cuticle oil. So yeah, I hope you guys can see. Let's see. That's how they turn out. I do love the color of the blue, and one of my favorite holographic top coats is so pretty. But I do have a snowflake on this one. It was supposed to go here to match, and I accidentally put it here. So I kind of covered it up a bit with the glitter. But not too bad. I got to clean up a little bit, but so far so good. So that's it, you guys. Thank you guys for watching Vlogmas Day 12, I think. Yeah. All right, you guys. See y'all in the next video. Subscribe, click the like button.